As the poultry and egg industry accelerates its march toward large-scale and standardized development, full process controllability plus full link compliance has become the core demand of the industry. Little Giant Livestock Equipment takes EPC turnkey projects as the carrier. Build a full chain service system covering consultation and planning, project design, construction and building, equipment installation, training and management, and breeding services. Directly addresses the industry pain points of decentralized breeding, weak quality control, and low efficiency. Consolidate the ecological industrial chain spanning from layer breeding to egg output. Little Giant's independently developed core equipment cluster creates a full process intelligent management and control system. Multi-tier automatic layer cages. Adopts a modular architecture. Integrates functions such as precision feeding and automatic manure removal. Build a solid standardized defense line from the source. The intelligent environmental control system serves as the smart brain of the chicken house. Monitors key environmental parameters inside the house in real time with precision. Realizes 3-level protection and 5-type alarm. Ensures the chicken's growing environment is always maintained at an optimal state. The innovative 7-degree bottom mesh design works in tandem with the central egg collection line, establishes an automated egg collection process, reduces the egg breakage rate to a low level within the industry, equipped with an egg grading machine at the end of the process. As the terminal quality gatekeeper of the EPC system, Little Giant's egg grading machine can seamlessly connect with the central egg collection line, receives fresh eggs produced by front-end standardized breeding. Through multi-dimensional detection and precise grading, maximizes egg value. Leveraging an AI visual recognition system to identify dirty eggs and cracked eggs, with a defective egg detection rate of up to 99.5%, goes through cleaning, drying, sterilization, and oiling for preservation. Equipped with high-precision weighing sensors for intelligent grading and sorting, adapts to diverse market demand scenarios, effectively increases the premium space of egg products, with EPC projects as the cornerstone. Little Giant takes grading machines as the quality engine, is committed to becoming a strategic partner for the standardized upgrading of the poultry and egg industry. We focus on the goals of high efficiency, premium quality, and intelligence. Boost China's poultry and egg industry into a new era of high-quality development.